Good afternoon, this is Mike Palmer. Want to show everyone how far we've come with a canoe. Thank you for all the interest. But we've got a fiberglass and epoxy coat on there, and we're working on the woodwork. So what we did, we put in the decks. We still need to sand all this down. Deck front and back. These are called gunnels on the left and right. They give it edges its rigidity. And this is going to be a stern seat. We're going to make that into a seat. What we're going to do, we're going to cut these joints, and then we're going to drill a hole and use this wood dowel and make a dowel joint. Epoxy right in there. This is called a thwart. This is called a yoke in the center. That's going to be cut off on the end under there and attached. So that's going to be, you'll be able to pick up the canoe and put it on your shoulders. So we got a lot of sanding work to do. And this is the front seat called the bow seat. So that's to be attached up there. So man in the rear is going to sit there. Man in the front is going to sit here. Here's our bow deck. We made that nice and big. A lot of times people end up putting a rope through there, and it takes a lot of abuse. Then we got to fill all these holes on the side where we put stainless steel screws in to hold it together. And we had a little mishap with the sander. We had to kind of rebuild that with some epoxy. But anyway, it's coming out pretty as a picture. Thank you for watching our site.